Domenica a Roma. Sundays in Rome. Like any other day of the week, we recommend starting with breakfast. Welcome back to our Guide to Rome series. I'm Tatiana from the Roman Food Tour, and today we're going to give you the perfect formula for spending a beautiful Sunday in the Eternal City. Now, Sundays in Rome are a day of rest for some people and a day of worship for others. What you will notice for sure is that the city moves at a much slower pace on this particular day. We decided to start off the day on one of the world's smallest inhabited islands, known as l'isola Tiberina. The island itself is really easy to reach. It's located in the middle of the Tiber River, between the neighborhoods of Prati and the Jewish quarter of Rome. After breakfast, we recommend descending the stairs and strolling along the Lungotevere, the Tiber waterfront. You can simply stroll with your feet, or if jogging's your thing, then that's an option too. You can even rent a bike and speed past the gushing waters. For me, l'isola Tiberina, known as the Tiber Island in English, is the pinnacle of tranquility. I like to come here on Sunday mornings to write in my journal, perhaps read a book, or simply soak up the sun while escaping from the hectic life of Rome. With its cobblestone streets and 10th century basilica, this island really is charming and romantic. And according to legend, it has rather curious origins. Back in the day, after overthrowing their tyrant ruler Tarquin the Proud, angry ancient Romans apparently threw his body into the Tiber River together with his wheat and grain. And over time, the accumulation of mud somehow formed this island. Today, it is home of a 16th century hospital that is still functioning right now, as well as one of Rome's most famous and renowned restaurants, known as Sorralella. They specialize in Roman cuisine, and I really recommend giving it a try, but you will need a reservation. After visiting l'isola Tiberina, I made my way over to Gallery Doria Pamphilj to soak up some art. Bear in mind that on Sundays, the Vatican museums are closed, so other popular historical sites in Rome, like the Colosseum, Trevi Fountain, and Pantheon, might be a little more overcrowded than usual. Therefore, on Sundays, we suggest heading to see a site that is less busy. The Doria Pamphilj Gallery is at the top of my list. The stunning palace boasts an impressive array of paintings by some of the world's greatest artists, including Caravaggio, Raphael, Carracci, Titian, and Velázquez. After wandering through the splendid palace interior, I decided to come to this amazing restaurant, which is actually housed within the gallery itself. And it's not very often that you're able to find a restaurant of such luxury, beauty, and quality within a museum setting. So that's why I love coming to Gallery Doria Pamphilj. They've got an amazing menu, amazing staff, and I'm practically surrounded by works of art, which is just incredible for an art lover like myself. For now, I'm going to relax, sip on this beautiful cocktail that they suggest that I pair with some Prosecco. And once I'm done relaxing with the food, it is Sunday after all, we're going to head outside and I'll give you even more tips and tricks on how to spend a Sunday in the Eternal City regarding food and culture. Sunday lunchtime is when Romans tend to get together with their families for a big meal. For lots of recommendations on where to eat locally, head over to our website and check out our blog posts. For a more special and quiet lunchtime experience, we recommend combining food with a cultural or artistic visit as we did today. Here is a list of our favorite recommendations of other museums and galleries that house outstanding restaurants. For now, I'm going to enjoy this beautiful dessert, and then we're going to head out and tell you a few things more. What a wonderful way to spend a Sunday afternoon in Rome. Now consider that if you happen to be in Rome on the first Sunday of a month, a lot of museums offer completely free entry, such as Castel Sant'Angelo, from which you can bask in amazing views of the Eternal City. For those of you who like the idea of shopping on a Sunday, you have to experience the famous Porta Portese market. It happens every week, only on Sundays, from 7 o'clock in the morning until around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. If instead you'd like to continue on the theme of food and wine, we as the Roman Food Tour offer award-winning food and wine tours in both Trastevere and Prati, as well as cooking classes, which could be a fantastic way to spend the rest of your afternoon in Rome. You'll find the link to both experiences in the description box below. Thank you for joining us today. I really hope you enjoyed our video on what to do and where to eat on Sundays in Rome. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more upcoming videos on the food, culture, lifestyle, and cuisine of Rome. We look forward to seeing you very, very soon, but until then, arrivederci!